Sewing taught me a lot, but the most important things had nothing to do with sewing.
Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Get Sewing.
So today I'm going to be sharing with you a few lessons that I've learned since I started sewing. So let's just jump right into it. Sewing taught me patience, and not the cute kind, the frustrating kind. The kind where things don't work out the first time or the second time and you still have to keep going. And somehow that patience started showing up outside my sewing room too. Sewing taught me to trust myself more. There's no manual telling you exactly how something should fit on your body or your vision. At some point in sewing, you just have to freestyle and trust that it's going to work out. Sewing taught me to let go of perfection, because perfect doesn't exist in handmade things. And honestly, that's the beauty of sewing. Something can be flawed and still be worthy of being worn. Sewing taught me how to wear my work with confidence. Like, there's just something powerful about wearing something you made with your own hands. It really reminds you that you are capable even on the days that you forget. So yeah, sewing taught me how to make clothes, but more than that, it taught me how to slow down, trust myself, and keep going. So if you want to see how these lessons actually show up in my work, check out my last sewing video right here. So those are the few lessons that I've learned through sewing. And if you'd like to tell me what you guys have learned during your sewing journey, please do let me know in the comments.